You're tired of fighting traffic every morning? Wish you could just roll out of bed, put on a pot of coffee, and sit down at your computer to make some cash?
You may want to join the growing number of tri-staters who now do make good money working from home. John, we want to know.
Yes, Carol, I think a lot of people want to know. So tonight, 9 is on your side with how you can land one of these jobs.
Yeah.
Leela Wendell was a preschool teacher until her little boy Austin arrived. She soon realized she couldn't bear to be away from him all day.
Right, buddy, mommy's gonna do some work, okay?
Now, though, she no longer has to leave her Fort Thomas home.
I spend anywhere from 1 to 3 hours a day doing my work, and I'm intentional about that because I want to be a stay-at-home mom. I want to be focused on him.
Leela has joined the millions of Americans working from home.
I never imagined that I would be able to make the income that I have been able to while working from home.
Thanks to technology advances from smartphones to high-speed internet, you can do it all from home.
If he's having a rough day, I can put off my work and just snuggle him for his naps and give him that time. It's been a blessing.
How would you like to be in Leela's shoes? How could an extra $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a week change your life? You deserve to have what I'm about to show you. It's your turn to make 6 figures this year or more. Quit your job and start living the high life like myself and the rest of my team members. And you're going to do this by listening closely and removing all distractions around you. You deserve to sleep well at night knowing that your work is ethical and has a positive influence on the community around you. That's what my system is going to give you. So excited to share this idea with you that I'm willing to give it away right now for free. Yes, you heard me. I'm not asking for any money from you, and I'm not even asking you to commit to anything. All right, before we start, please let me get this legal disclaimer out of the way. I can't promise you'll have results like some of my top students who make upwards of $1 million a year. That wouldn't be fair or ethical, but think about it for a minute. What if you could make just 10% of that? Would an extra $100,000 change your life? Or heck, let's say you can only do half of that. Would $50K help give you the freedom to do the things you really want to do in life? Oh, did I mention this is all achieved by working only a few minutes per day from home? So consider this video your official invitation.